Hello and welcome to this H&M home haul. I don't think I've ever done a H&M home haul, so I'm very excited to do this, even though I love shopping in H&M because they do amazing furniture. And I was looking around there to see if I could find my scissors, and it was right on the floor, so it's meant to be. So without further ado, let's jump into this. Okay, I'm gonna start off with box numero uno. Ooh, okay. okay, right. Chill. Zaddy chill. Okay, right. I don't think I know how to chill, but okay, so I got some of these cushions. These are, yeah, the fillings, the cushion fillings. So I have 2 on 2. Uniflu. Oh, lovely. Okay, this is a throw blanket that I got. Don't know where this is going to be going yet, but oh, it's so soft. Okay, it's again that kind of, you know, coastal vibe that we're going with, so we're just gonna rock that for now. So yeah, this is just a grey throw and it's beautiful. It has that like sumptuous look to it, but it is very like rustic and like worn and just beautiful. Like, it's just beautiful. It's like that natural wool look, and I mean, can you beat it? No, you cannot beat it. Then I got some cushions for the dining room. These are just some beige and black cushions. I want to see what they look like without the plastic wrapper on them, because that would be nice. Oh yeah, they're so lovely. Oh, you know, I wow myself sometimes. Also, got my haircut today. I don't know if you can tell. If you did, thank you. If you could tell, thank you for noticing. I mean, I did it for you. Ooh. Okay, I'm excited for this because I decided I'm going to go have some color, you know, because I'm just going to have it all grays and beiges. I want to have some color popping through. So I got 2 of these. Did I get 2 of them? I mean, I thought I got 2 of them. 2 of these beautiful blue. Are they like a blue? Yeah, they're like a bluey kind of a color. Yeah, throws for the ends of the beds. Oh, I just think that is just so gorgeous. Like, is it not? And these are very affordable, these throws, and they're such amazing quality. Like, oh my god, I feel like I'm just like, oh. It's amazing. It has that, like, you know, brings the house a bit more up to date because it's not that, like, you know, natural linen-y fabric. It has a bit more heartiness to it. So it kind of just changes it up a bit, but still remaining in that kind of vibe, if you know what I mean. What's in here? Oh, okay, I forgot that I got these. Okay, right. So I got like these little kind of soap dispensers. These ones are the gold ones. I just think this is just the cutest. Okay, well, I'm not, okay. Can I take this off? Okay. Look, is that not just the cutest? So 2 of these, because the bathroom these are going in, they already have like that gold hardware. So I just think these would be perfect for that. H&M isn't expensive. It's reasonable for what you're getting. You know, it's, I mean, I wouldn't say it's cheap, but I wouldn't say it's, you know, pricey. I'd say it's very good quality, if you do ask me. Then I got some curtains. I got a few pairs of curtains. Yeah, okay, these are nice. Let me just rip these open just because we have to see what they look like, don't we? Okay, that's fine. Okay, whew! I was stressing that the opening wasn't going to be big enough. I mean, it mightn't even. No, it will. It will be fine. These are going to be going in the bedrooms because I just wanted something like dark against the white walls. And these were really cheap. Well, I mean, they're really affordable. Because, I mean, you're not really supposed to say the word cheap because it makes it sound cheap. They're really affordable. And they're just like a dark grey colour, and I mean, you can't go wrong with that. Like, I mean, you really can't go wrong. I'm just so excited to show this space to you all. Finished and completed and looking amazing. I'm really excited for that. So just picture like these. Let me show you some of the cushions I got actually. Okay, so this is one of the cushions here. It's like a blue stripe. Let me see if the cushion insert is here for this size. This is pretty big. This one is 50 by 50. This one is 50 by 50. Okay, what are the odds of that? Very slim. Well, I mean, not really, because I mean, I got all 50 by 50 inserts or whatever. These are just like basic inserts. They're nothing like special. They just came with the cushions, so I just picked them up instead of buying like expensive inserts. I just got the ones from H&M because this is only for styling. It's not like, you know, to be, you know, really lived in, and I don't think people would really appreciate the feathered inserts. So I mean, just keep cost down, because if I did go with the feathered inserts, you're looking at another like €200 on top for all the cushions at least, whereas this reduced it well down. Okay, yeah, so this is this is great. Oh my god, okay, these are lovely inserts. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to get these more often. They really fluff up. So this is one of the cushions here. It's a blue kind of stripy one. They'll be going on the couch, I think, because they've got another one here. This one is another striped one. I think this was for the couch actually. This one is for the couch, I think. Okay, so then for the dining room, I got these beautiful, like twiny looking things. They're like just placemats, but I just thought they just fit perfectly in this space. Like, oh, I'm so now seeing outside, I'm just so excited to put it in and like see what it all looks like, even though I know it's gonna look amazing, but just to like, you know, really like see it myself in person. Okay, and then I got these napkins. These napkins for the dining table. And then the tablecloth should be in your summer as well. They're just like a natural linen fabric. Yeah, beautiful. So these are gonna go with this, and then the tablecloth is here, I think. Yeah, here's the tablecloth. Nice one. The tablecloth, it's nothing like too extreme. Oh, it's gonna look so nice. Okay, so you have the different like color tones working together. Like, it's just spectacular. Spectacular. Beautiful. Okay. I'm loving this. I am loving this combination all coming together. I'm just so excited like to see it all and to share it with all ye, because it's been a lot of work. It's been a lot of work coming to this stage. I mean, honestly, this house is gonna be such a vibe, and I'm here for it. It's gonna be a major vibe. I have obviously more of these cushions because there's more than one seat. Oh, what's this in here? Oh, this one's heavy. Jesus. I'm going to need the scissors for this one. Oh. Oh my god. I literally almost like stabbed myself or like cut through into my stomach. This is why I shouldn't be trusted with tools and sharp objects. That was way more work than it needed to be. Okay. Ooh, lovely, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. It's a little thing for your toothbrush and everything. It's a little marble one. Oh, it's beautiful. Gosh. God, this house is so lucky. Oh my god, they're getting such nice items. If I do say so myself. And then I got another throw. This is for the, I think I'm gonna put this in the twin room. Like 2 of these. I think they look cute. Like, just add that pop of color, you know, and it has little tassels at the ends. Not sure how I feel about them, but like we're just gonna rock with it now. There's no going back. I do love this color though. It's just very fresh and like it's exciting. So like, you know, it's not like all the one color tone in every room. It kind of changes it up as you walk through the house, stimulating your senses. And I love the tech because there's not much furniture in each bedroom. There's a bed and like side tables and stuff like that, and lighting. But like other than that, like there isn't much. So I need like to add texture and like depth and like interest. So that's why I'm adding that. Next box. Oh, woo. Who's excited? Because I am. Okay, right, let's see what's in this box. Oh, I love this. It's my favorite thing to do, like, ever. Oh, okay, don't rip the box. I forgot about some of these items. Oh my gosh. Okay, right. Let's just breathe, James. Breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth. Look at these beautiful rattan trays that I got. Oh, these are beautiful. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at this beautifulness right here. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh my god, I got 2 of these. I got one of these for the living room. I'm going to put a few bits in it. And then I got another one for the kitchen. I mean, I don't really need to open the second one because you get the idea. Okay, more of these fillers because, you know, more than one chair. I think there's 6 chairs in total. So you can see it through the whole thing. Some more of these because there's more than one table setting. Oh, this is the brass version of the toothbrush holder, which is gorgeous. I love it. I love it a lot. I do. I love it a lot. Oh my god, I'm getting so excited now to see everything. This is definitely bigger than the Zara one, I can tell you that for a fact. Oh, more curtains. Oh, this beautiful. What's this one now? This one's for the living room. Oh, like, honestly, you know there's certain items that just, like, speak to you. They speak to your soul. Well, this cushion, for some reason, speaks to my soul. You know, I've been sleeping on H&M's inserts because, honestly, they're pretty good. Like, I'll say that one for a fact. I can't wait to combine all these together and see which one goes where. Because at the moment, like, I'm not 100% sure which room I'm placing each individual cushion, but I have a fair idea, if you know what I mean. Like, I have a gist of where I'm putting everything. I decided to get introduce some velvets into the space because I just thought it was a nice contrasting fabric to the linen and the cotton materials. I just thought like it was a nice kind of mix up, if you will. Just keep the interest alive and keep everyone happy. So it's like a beautiful like kind of brown color. Like honestly, these inserts are fantastic. They really fluff up like really well for like just a cotton insert. I mean, hello, this is the same look that duck feather pillows give you, and it's like a quarter of the price. I mean, hello, where would you be going? So these are just two kind of together. Oh, that's lovely as well, isn't it? I mean, the camera, like it looks ugly on camera, but like in real life, I mean, this is beautiful color combination. It's very like coastal. Oh my god, I'm getting so excited. I actually can't. And then with this, oh my god, I can't. I'm gonna have to get like an Instagram of this or something just to kind of have it for my own memories. Because I can't, like it's killing me. It's actually like it's doing something to me. It's beautiful. Let me just insert all the cushions because I might as well wasn't here. This one is 50 by 50. I want to see what this one is because this one I'm excited for. 50 by 50. You ain't ready. You're not ready for this one. This one is definitely one of my favorites. Okay, turn away for a second, and I'm gonna put this one together, and then look back. Okay, but close your eyes for right now. Okay, close them. Close your eyes. Okay. Okay, you can look back now. Look at look at this. Is this not just so cool? Like all the little pom-poms. Like this is just such a fun detail. Oh goodness. I amaze myself sometimes. I really do. I'm acting as if I designed this cushion, but like I mean, it's so beautiful. It's so simple, but yet like it's all you need. Like it's just I'm I don't know why I clapped. I'm literally clapping for myself right now. Like honestly, I mean maybe not the blue. I don't know how I feel about them together. I mean they still work with this guy. No. I prefer the brown one and the blue one together, but like still like I mean this bad boy right here is gonna sit right beside me just because I love it so much. Okay, this is gonna be nice. I can tell I'm gonna love this. This is to go into the living room as well because you know if I'm introducing black I have to pick it up somewhere else. It can just be one little black accent and then kabam, it's done. No, we have to keep it consistent. I love these. I think this is gonna go on my rat hand chair. I'm thinking. I mean, the insert for this isn't really like filling up the cushion as I would like, but like it still gets the job done, you know. It's still beautiful. Look at this. It's still beautiful. And it's on, and that's on JMC. Yes, this is gorgeous. Okay, right. I'm loving all the cushions and everything together. They're just beautiful. Oh yeah, this is beautiful as well. It's just a nice, simple, like striped cushion. Can't go wrong. Can't complain. Just, you know, chilling like a villain, doing its thing. You know, not here to disrupt anyone. Just, you know, living its life to the fullest and just happy out. I mean, is that not all you want? It's nice transit. It's going to go in the living room, I think, for certain. Or is it? Yeah. Well, we'll see. We'll see where we put it. But like, I'm thinking the living room. But you know, that could change. I'm liking these at the moment for the living room because it kind of brings in to the dining room, which is right beside it as well. Like, it kind of brings these colors into it. See, I mean, these are all the things that you think of when you're an interior designer. And those calling me saying that I'm not an interior designer in my comments, well, you know what am I doing? I'm designing homes, the interior of homes. So, I mean, I think that qualifies me as an interior designer. Okay, so that's all the cushions. And did you think that was it? Okay, well, if you didn't, good, because we also got a package from Desenio. Oh, I think I just pulled my back out. Anyway, Desenio. Okay, let me just put my hand in here and just, I'm going to show you the prints because I don't think you care about the frames. So I'll show you the prints just as like a sneak peek. Okay, so first print is, I only got 2 prints, is this beautiful heather. Oh, isn't it just beautiful? Like, honestly, this is gorgeous. This is going to go in the living room. And then I got one more. Now this one's a bit crazy. This one's a bit of a bigger print. This one is inspired by Matisse. You know, like, you know, them paper cutout things. That was one of his eras. It's inspired by him. It's just gorgeous. It's gonna go on the, no! Don't get crinkled, don't get crinkled, don't get crinkled. Ah! This one's gonna go on the staircase. Just as you walk down. I suppose you don't know what I'm talking about because you haven't seen the house. But I don't know if it's on my new vlog or not, but if it might be my new vlog, so go check the vlog out. That my recent vlog could be in there because I'm going to walk around all it just to kind of give you a sneak peek of what's to come. No, this wasn't what's in ordered. So I got a free cushion cover. Woo! Who's living? I am. They better not have forgotten something else now. And they gave that one by mistake, so that's another thing I have to consider when I'm going through this properly. But that was my H&M haul. I really hope you enjoyed this. Please let me know down below what you love from this. Are you excited to see this full transformation? Because I am. And literally, like, when you're watching this, I think it'll probably be like a week or 2 after this and it'll be up. So what are you doing? Hit that subscribe button so you know when that's gonna be up. Anyway guys, if you hope you enjoyed this, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You know, I cannot believe that my camera just cut me off like that. Okay, so anyway, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.